Today we are going to be doing a video of mini fashion. So this is kind of like a mini brand, except you get to make it, and it's so cute. But we're not gonna make it. We're just gonna show you like what comes inside. So let's start peeling. Okay. It comes with 2 layers, like a mini brand, like how it comes with a and then one to give you kind of like an example of what it is. These are a lot easier to peel. It comes off in one strip. And then normally the one inside is very easy, so I'm just gonna find a zipper. This one came off and so far broken. Okay, so I got it. One more. Okay. So Lily, you go first. Need help?
Yeah.
Okay. And let me just find this thing. Oh. It comes with like
another one.
Yeah. Like a tape. These are packaged really tricky.
Oh.
I'm just gonna pop mine.
So first let's read this.
No, that's just like a collection stuff.
Yeah.
So do all the bags. And they come with like this, I think, in all of them.
Can't get it.
Need help. You have like a cool looking thing in here. Oh, caught it.
I have this. So it comes with tweezers. I got donuts.
Cute.
Let's see what else. And then
What is that?
it's like whipped cream.
This is Sunny Days Glaze.
Yep, it's a donut.
Let's just see what the donuts look like.
Donuts, not really.
Oh, they're so cute looking. They're like,
And then sprinkles.
oh, that's so cute. Last bag. Oh, you're gonna need these. I think after you open it, you put this on to get the liquid out. But we're not gonna use that right.
And then a little table.
So now I'm gonna go. I'm gonna start with this one because this is the spoon, so it doesn't really sound that exciting. So spoon. Then I'm gonna do this yellow one. It feels like a bowl, so. And then I got this placemat, so it's something to do with breakfast. Might be cereal.
Yep, you got cereal.
Yeah, this feels like a cereal box or a milk carton. I got milk. And this actually has milk inside, but it's not real. I can hear it. So cute. I'm just gonna open it up to see what the Cheerio looks like. It even comes in a bag like real cereal. And then it has a word search on the back. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Like, I have cereal like this. And the checklist is big, like, and it teaches you how to make everything. There's drinks and stuff and everything. So this is like a really cool thing. I think I got this cereal one. This one. Instead of the rainbow. And out of the donuts, I think you got the strawberry frosting. And then on the back, it teaches you how to kind of make everything. But I don't want a checklist. And then it comes with these free checklists. We don't need either. And it comes whatever this is. And then mine comes with tweezers. And I don't know what the lid is for. So that is it for today. I hope you liked it. Bye.